Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, today it's a bright morning from my side here at home. And the technical guys, today it's another day which God have granted us. So thank you so much for clicking my videos, and I thank God for the gift of life every day, guys. I supposed to say God thank you. So today, this is where I'm coming from, inside my house, and technically I brought the mason from Border Town. So today they want to do some rough cast, and then maybe tomorrow I will paint, and then I said goodbye my toilet. So I'm trying to work here and there, so to make sure that I'm finishing that toilet. So thank you so much, guys, by watching my yesterday's videos. Actually, I bought some instrument or some equipment that I needed to my toilet in terms of maybe hygiene and all stuff. So wow, guys, it's a bright morning over here, and I will show you the work for today. So in case you are new here and you haven't watched my yesterday videos, guys, please go and watch my videos until the end. I'll show you that stuff random before I meet with my mason from Border Town. So actually, this is the stuff which I bought yesterday. You can see we have toilet cleaner here, and also we have the brush. We have another one over here, and I bought these two, and it has some container for placing this. But anyway, wow, guys. We have the brush here, soft one. We have the squeezer, man, I'm telling you. We have the mopper. This is the mopper here, and technical right now. So I want to finish. Maybe by tomorrow I will finish, and then on Saturday I will release my mom to launch, and in general my family to launch that toilet. So I will make sure that everything that I needed, that there, maybe soap, things like that. So for those people who are asking me on the comment section, where is maybe your tap and all stuff, maybe water, actually it's the water here. We have the tap there, and maybe I will buy 2 buckets for putting water, and also I will do something which are very special for maybe when you visit the toilet, you come out and then you wash your hand. I want to do those things maybe at a time. So I want to show you today's work, and maybe you'll be very excited what I'm doing at my home here. Wow. So I have the masons here, and I bought everything from Border Town. So buy some, I think 2 bags of cement, it's enough. Sasa kuna simiti moja, hawezi kuuza simiti mfuko. Yeah, so the one to the rough cast here. Sifundi utakuwa unapiga inafika hapa. That being said, I want to do rough cast here, and maybe the mixture of the cement and the black paint inside, it's bring gray. So I need the gray color because I don't mind maybe too much colors shouting from the far end. But anyway, even down here I will paint brown. So let's see. Wow, guys, I think you're ready for this. So that's the remaining parts which have been remaining. If I finish this in a good way, I will say goodbye. I will say goodbye. Wow. Oh my God. Let me show you. every part that you see, they do rough cuts here, there, and also here. Oh, let me show you. Oh, but they have been scooping the sand from other side over there. We have avocado trees here. Wow, what a good day. What a good day, guys. So I'm shooting these videos on Thursday morning. As you can see, it's bright morning over here. Wow, so that's the handman. So the good thing about, if people working at my home, they will make sure they will have breakfast, lunchtime, and then they will get paid. Wow, so there's the sun, guys, over there. Nice. Umenacha boy. Wow.
Ukienda huko juu kwa mkeo utakupimia.
Nani?
Mkeo.
Mkeo ni nani? Manchester.
Tena Manchester. Huko juu.
Ile mkisi yako kwa Zambezi pale.
Kikuyu. Kuna ule mkikuyu huko juu. Huko kwa mabasi.
Uko kwa ena coach.
Kwa ena coach huko. Unataka kupimia.
Nataka simenti. Kwani mfuko?
Acha tu ninunue.
Moja na nusu.
Nitanunua hiyo mbili. Kibaki nitakuja nani nipige hapo nini. Takoroga na zege ni mwage hapo hivi kwa msingi. Unapo kwa nani? Kako kasi kambere. Na chimba tu inchi moja hivi na mwaga zege ndani. Guys, after this I'm heading to Border Town right now to buy cement and all stuff. Gari tutakuja tuchomere.
nusu. Tangaza kidogo.
Asa mweze kwa roho mbili.
Mbili hamna. Haitatoka. Kwanza itakiwa ichanganywe kwanza na nini?
Simenti ni ichanganywe simenti kidogo kutoka vizuri.
Hakuna yule jamaa alikuja kuniwekea pesa na ile kichujio kingine.
Himo moda.
Lakini sio hii, ni ile kubwa kubwa ile. Inatoa tuma.
Unajua ile inatoa mawe kubwa kubwa.
Kama wane utakuja mchekecha hadi kesho. So guys, they will make sure that this sand will be smooth. You see? Yeah.
Hiyo imetosha hai.
Sasa mngechanga hiyo mchanga na simiti ndio mje kucheketa.
Ina maana hayo mabaki ikitafuta kazi afanyie.
Yaani ingetoka
unakuta na simenti.
Yaani anatoka lakini unaona hii ni kuna mchanga na baki. Yaani inakuwa nyepesi. Inakuwa kama yaani imepikwa na jua.
Sasa hii na neti gani utafanya haraka?
Hii waya na neti bora hii.
Iko sawa.
Iko sawa kuliko hii. Neti inafanya lakini haifanyi kama hii. Iko sawa. Ndio hili.
Mtakuja mchekecha hadi kesho.
Hamna. Ndio wanachekecha hivi bro.
Maana wanaweka simiti wanachekecha haraka.
Okay, acha niende niwaletee simiti.
Sawa, tuletee tu simiti.
Si simiti ni simiti. Ama mpaka niete simiti yenye mnataka.
Simiti ni simiti tu.
Bamburi,
Upende bamburi nini?
Niliekega tiles mwingine kwanza mweka sasa tunilete simiti kutoka na
bamburi yote nini bamburi?
Kwa neka na sijui dumu.
Simiti ni cement.
Wewe tu simiti ni simiti.
Katika simenti zote kali na kwa hiyo bamburi ile ina bei ya juu.
Bamburi sasa sijui ni 1,000 ngapi, sijui na 300.
Ile inakuwa kali kuliko simenti zetu. Lakini bei yake sasa. Bei yake inakuwa juu.
Acha nenda pale basi ndio karibu. So I'm telling them let me go to Nyabuhansi because it's near at my home here. So I don't want maybe to go in border town. So I want to wear the jacket and then after that I'm rushing there. So maybe oh guys, imagine how full of water the tank is full. Bruno, are you okay? Oh guys, my dog yesterday, like 3 days, feels so sick, and yesterday I'm trying to give my puppy some tablets to deworm my puppy, you know. Wow. Hey, right, so let me go inside here. I take my jacket. Oh guys, sorry, but it's dark, but don't mind. That is it. It is what it is, guys, you know. I'm a village boy. Wow, so I want to wear this jacket right now. And wow. Oh, guys, the reason why I wear the jacket because it's cold outside and I'm riding a bike, so I'm supposed to wear the jacket, but this one I needed to wear the heavy jacket, but right now let me wear this for the protection when I'm riding a motorbike. Anyway guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from my home here, and this week you will see some changes. Maybe tomorrow I'll do something unique because you people, you are amazing. You advise me. So right now I'm just okay. You advise me accordingly, and I take your advisement serious. So I lock my house, and technically that is how things they are. This is my gumboot over here. Wow. So I'm heading outside. Wow. So guys, follow this vlog until the end. Let's go. Oh guys, so finally I'm heading to the branch right now guys. So the road is full of muddy, but it is what it is. Oh, let's go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm telling you guys. See that house. So guys, I'm just over here and I want to buy 2 bags of cement from a village grandpa hardware, and technically this is my baby here. They want to carry them. Sinda. Yes guys, this is the cement here. Mbona unanishuku? Corona. Okay. Na ino ni ngima?
Ngima?
Ngima ama ni nusu mura.
Ngima.
La toko.
Watu nisimamishe wote.
Achana nayo toko mura.
Ndio hii natoa.
Nguru. Bango mkiara tora bongo. Hey, you must eat good. So we need 2 bags of cement. Gonto goito. Wana nguru wano ni bigi bigi. Ora tunu hirondai. No ni bigi bigi. Atir kone non taling ke fage. Wonder no. Simit. Atur bogi si. Laro chana ati.
Rega eh.
Baka wenyu kara gusu hinda ani mon.
Baka wenyu ara. Tadi bigo. Dage po.
No racho kwenye simit.
Ne kwenye simiti. Miki simiti sano te ne kwenye simiti emo. Wewe.
Racho bwana racho. Simiti sano nchi.
Sinda.
So one bag goes to 10 USD. So this is around at 20 USD. You buy 2 bags.
Traffic.
Oh guys, so let me make the payment and then say goodbye. Oh guys, I'm keep with my journey. So I have 2 bags of cement here, and technically right now I'm heading home because we have the mason. So today we want to finish one thing, and maybe tomorrow I will paint and then I will say goodbye the toilet. And actually, you see, yesterday I bought some equipment for hygiene that are needed inside my toilet, and that is it. So after this, maybe I'll go to Migori. I asked that stuff for mounting on the wall, putting towel and also the soap actually, and also the tissue paper. So the only thing that remaining is that one. So anyway guys, stay tuned. Right, so let's the work to be continued, guys. Well guys, for now, before I left, let me show you the work. I think my mason, they have already started, and actually I'm heading to somewhere else, so it can took for me like 3 hours, 3 good hours from now. And technically I want to show you right now. So in case you're new in terms of construction, I want to show you the rough cast, which I was talking for the several time, maybe, oh this and this, and then today it's happened. The rough cast. Utakuwa jaza mabonde. Mabonde yataja hii mashine. So guys, the rough cast. that we are talking about every day. Well guys, I think for now you've already seen, so I'm heading to somewhere else, and mpera ende kuleta. Wow, so technically I'm heading to somewhere else, maybe a little bit. I will show you when I'm heading to, but I'm going there. I think maybe today it's my 50th day to go there, so I will make a little bit of video and then I will join together, and then we enjoy the vlog, guys, to the end. Come on, then you say hello. Yes, I'm calling my sister to say hello. Umekuwa nini match? Mchanga, say hello.
Hello.
Nini nimekuendea kwa match?
Mchanga.
Wacha kufanya hivyo ndio na uso. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my sister. So there's some small maybe stones go inside, something going inside to the ice for my sister. So I'm telling her go and wash her eyes with cold water. So anyway guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming today guys. Wow. Alright, so finally my journey started, and actually I'm heading to Kisii town right now. So technically I'm in Migori, guys. I'm telling you, I'm in Migori. So I'm keep grinding hard. You see they making beds there, and technically guys, today I'm trying to use my bike because it can save me it can save time, because when maybe I'm hiring the vehicle, somehow maybe slow, maybe every bus station will be stopped. Every bus station will be stopped. And when I use this one, man, it's one after all, no non-stop. No? So let's go. Wow. Remember guys, at my home there's some work continue, and maybe I'll come and then I'll pay later. So let's go. But tomorrow I'll come and then check the stuff for mounting on the toilets and bathroom, you know what I mean, guys. They're making tables, chairs, bed. Oh, let's go guys. I'm just driving alongside the road, and technically guys, it is what it is. So this is the end of Migori town, but we have the town at maybe some let me say some 1 kilometer from here. I will hit Migori town right now. Wow. So I'm keep driving baby here. So today I decide to put the gas here and then I go. So maybe a little bit I will show you maybe every town that I was passing through, and then you'll see guys. So let's go. I'm walking alongside the road, guys, you know. Wow, so technically that's a church over there, SDA and all stuff. Wow. It's good to adventure so many places, and then I want to show you right now. Wow. And technically I will show you the flyover here in this town. Wow. Let's go. It's a flyover here. Wow. Oh. Here's Migori town, and I'm telling you, it's a clean town by itself, and maybe no phone snatcher guys here. I'm telling you. Let's go slowly, slowly, guys. Wow. We drive slow, guys. Wow. Wow, guys. So I'm continue going, guys. You know, that's how the goal looks like. Wow. Let's go. I'm heading to. See guys, super amazing. Wow, it's a kind of a dip, but anyway, let's go. This is African Kenya, guys. You know, look at the side, the other side. Oh, the registration, guys, from here. So I'm keep grinding and I'm outside, just my dream guy here and there. So after maybe from my journey I'll come and then pay the meso. So that's why I'm rushing up, because maybe when I'm using the vehicle it could maybe somehow maybe tough, because we spend a lot of time outside using my baby, and technically here we go. Wow. Let's go. Africa, Kenya. And guys, I think nowadays maybe I think right now because when I was driving my hair somehow looked like, so nowadays government of Kenya come with a new technology. So you see here, children crossing means that from here up to there, like 50, we have some schools over there. So at the same time we have the bridge there, over there, you see. Wow. So technically guys, stay tuned. I'm keep going, I'm outside like crazy, but it is what it is, guys. Let's go. Wow guys, so I'm remaining with some few let's say some few kilometers from here. So actually guys, I'm on this place. Wow, and it looks so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. You can see nothing changed in Africa, maybe in terms of food, nature. You can see by yourself. Wow. Wow. You see where I'm heading to? Angels Academy over there. Comprehensive school. Wow. And maybe technically if you are new and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe on this vlog for today, guys. Look at nice house. Wow. And I will show you a road. Maybe it looks like an highway. An example of a highway to me. Right? Like when I'm going this way. It's over there. Like that way. But when I'm coming from Kisi Town going back home, I'll go to the other side. You know? So that's how things they are here. Oh, I'm back again. We have some bumps. Some crazy bumps. You heard like that? Oh, that's bumps. I'm telling you. That's bumps. This is an old version car here. Let's bring out some smoke, guys. Look. Ooh. Oh. See that car? Wow, nice clean town. I'm telling you, people are outside hustling, rides, rafts, and they make good chairs and tables here, and also sofa set. You know what I mean? So anyway, let's go. All cars pick up over there. You found there, both of them. But it is what it is, guys. I'm on the way. Wow. Wow. I'm on the way. Keep going. I'm telling you. Right now. Ooh. That's a police car. I'm telling you. Maybe when I'm going the farthest end, you will see. Let's go. Well, guys, so maybe let me know in the comment section what you think about on this vlog. Wow. Right. Our journey continues, guys. You know, by itself. Look. Oh. That's bumps, guys. Don't mind. Oh, another one. That's bumps. Let's go. Wow, nice road. I'm telling you, people building. Wow, guys, sorry for the windy because not too much windy, but it is what it is, guys. Sorry guys for the windy. Well, guys, so I have a short break here before I continue my journey. But anyway, Wow, wow. One kilometer from here to hit Kisii town, but I'm in Kisii and I want to hit on town, good town. Let's go. If you're watching my initial video or my old video, you see this house, this tall building here. See over there. But anyway, it's a night, it's a kind of a mall. I didn't understand, but maybe the mall we found in Nairobi. Here, maybe you have supermarket and big shop, things like that. See guys, let's go. Other road that are going to Ahero. Oh, there's some chairs there. Ooh. I'm shocked. Technically, we have a super highway here. We have deep road down. There's a roundabout here. For me, I'm just drive keenly and slowly guys. I'm not rushing things, you know. So that you see that road there. Wow. Oh, slow but sure, man. I'm telling you, slow but sure. And from now it's raining, guys. That pedestrian side where you see people walking, that's pedestrian side. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my God. What a good day. What a good day. Oh, in our village in Africa here, maybe in my village where I'm coming from, motorbikers so many and are means of transport. You can afford, can do everything. You know what I mean? Wow. Let's go. That's a GK. Wow. It's a GK here. So you see that one? Oh. Oh guys, so finally I'm just in town and I want to show you where I'm heading to, and technically let's go guys, follow this journey until the end guys, keep going. Wow, so here we go. Oh, this house is very tall, I'm telling you. Wow. So at least today I'm trying to make some videos to update you where I'm heading to, and at the same time I'm going to pay my mason the work that I left at home to be done. Wow, let's go. This is Kisii town. See? By yourself. So right now I'm walking on the streets of Kisii within here, and then I will let you to know. So technically, let's go. So here must be very careful because people are driving crazy business everywhere. Wow. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. There is one of my neighbor calling me on this car. Ben, sorry man. I am. Wow. That's my neighbor. We came from Nyabohansi. And actually, I met him within here. So let's go. Let's go, guys. Wow. I want to go to the other side. So right now. Woo! I must be very careful walking here. But it's amazing day today, and the weather is so moderate as you can see on the earth. So let's go. Let's go. I'm walking on these streets here. Car moving up and down. Also people. Wow. So maybe disadvantage that I get maybe here, it's maybe music and movement of the vehicle, but I will understand. So I want to cross to go on the other side. Wow. So I must be very careful, I'm telling you right now. Wow. Let's go. Must be very careful. Else you may cause accidents here or driving maybe rough. Look. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. Anyway, you see where I'm passing to, guys. Look, it's crazy by itself. But anyway, there's a jam here. See? Oh, and it's so hot, guys, and at the same time I feel so hungry, and I will look something to eat. Wow. So there is some walk side on the other side, so I want to see it, and technically let's see right now. Maybe I will pass here. I'll pass here. Whoa. It's passing from other side because I have a lot of jam here and there. Wow. Ooh. At least I walk on this street here. Oh, there's a police car. Hey, this is a real town, I'm telling you. Whew. I'm so hungry. So after complete my mission, I want to see a nice hotel. Maybe I will eat ugal, you know. Since I wake up early in the morning, I haven't eaten anything. So right now, look. You see that, guys? Tricky situation. Let's go. let's go. Oh. Whew. Look at even this house. See that house there. Wow. Whew. They sold clothes here. Nice clothes at my back. Wow. You see even that shop there. Let's go. I think I want to complete my mission, and then after that I have something to eat because it's a long distance from here up to my home, and since when I wake up in the morning I haven't taken breakfast, and right now it's lunchtime, so I want to finish one thing after another. Let's go. Oh. I meet with some many people which I haven't known, and for me I'm so grateful. And here people mind with own issues, mind with own business, so maybe not like shaking hand. Never seen things like that. Whew. Oh. You never see people greeting each other. Here people mind its own business. Everybody going to the job, going to its own maybe places. So it's not like in my village there, you wake up in the morning, you greet people, handshaking. You never see. You never seen that. And I must be very carefully from here where I'm heading to. Because we have government places which doesn't allow people to shoot videos, but for me I must be very careful. So I'm coming from other side. Wow. And I'm keep going. So I'm remaining with I'm remaining with some few walking like 300 meters apart from here, and then you boom in government place. Even from here I see the camera for the government. Wow. Let's see. Wow. It's a roundabout. So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video. I don't like maybe to involve in problems. So other side, it's a government place. Wow guys, it's so hot, but I think I have left the government place. So on this place right now I'm just free, and I can vlog how I can, how much I can. And technically right now I'm heading to somewhere else. Let's see. There's Total petrol station there, you know. So I think Total petrol station, it's common in Pan Africa and all over the world, because we went for the in so many places. We found Total company like that one there. So in border town we have Migori, we have every place, and I think it's common everywhere, all over the world. Total, guys, let me know in the comment section. Oh, and for now I'm heading this place right now. So I came to do with my own issues, guys. Maybe I'll let you to know, but let's see. Let's see. The shop known as MRF Motorol Piagos do motorbike and what. So let's see. I'm waiting the car to be maybe to use the jam, and then I'll pass. So I must be very careful, guys, here. Oh, it's so hot, guys. Anyway, so right now the road is okay. Oh guys, so I came to check this bike here. Lakini sasa ile ya Burundi utaweka hapo. These are sport bike guys, I'm telling you. So I came to check them. What is okay. And then these are sport bike, I'm telling you, and it's a TVS company. Look. So but for me I need the blue one, and maybe our deal done maybe next year, April. Okay, finally guys, let me look for the food to eat, and then I drive from here. It's a long journey by itself, but anyway I'll try my best. So I want to have a little bit breakfast, no, lunch. So because now it's lunch, and then I forget to eat breakfast, so normally let me eat lunch guys. Oh guys, I think I'm heading on this African gentle cave, so I want to have my lunch guys right now. Oh guys, I'm trying to remove my jacket because I'm driving early morning, so I need to eat food, and there's a hotel here. So technically I'm waiting the waiter is right now. So I'm alone on this table here, and I'm waiting to be served right now. Right guys, so nowadays I don't want to take soda and all stuff, so actually I want to eat food and then to drink water, and then I'm ready to go guys. I'm keep waiting and to see whether maybe they can serve me guys right now. So the table is... So finally guys, I have the juice here, and it's a pineapple juice, so I want to take and then we'll go back home. It's pineapple juice guy. I wanna say goodbye on that hotel over there, so actually I'm heading home right now. So at least when I'm driving I'm just okay, you know. So let me take my bike down here. Wow man, I drink juice, pineapple juice, but we have some language barrier, and then I didn't understand. So technically I was drinking juice goes to $2, and actually it was a pineapple juice direct from the farm and branded, not maybe like we mix with maybe water, no, organic pineapple I was taking there, and then it's time to drive. Hey, wow. So let's see guys, I'm going back home. I want to see the progress for my mason which I left at home guys. Let's see guys, stay tuned. I will join my video when I'm reach back home guys. I'm so tired to drive. Wow. Well guys, so finally I'm just back to my village right now, and technically I want to see the progress for my person. Well guys, I had the call from my mom, so my mason finished very early. So I wanna check the progress. Wow. Guys, I thank God because I reached home safely. Oh, so there's our cow. Technical guys, let me see the progress for today guys. Maybe are you ready for this? I hope today's video you will enjoy a lot guys. So for me, I want to, with my own issues, and the document inside here guys, so maybe it's my privacy. Well, let me see. Yvonne. Okay. Oh. Guys, to put things down. And then after that, oh, I'm telling you guys, it's a crazy journey. Fundi, ulimaliza kumbe kitambo? Ulimaliza saa 6? Imagine nimetoka Sirari saa 6. Saa 4. Hii ni saa ngapi? Saa 9. Nimewahi. Sasa imebaki kupiga rangi. Guys, let me show you the progress for today. Simiti iliisha? Nilijua tu. Wow guys. So this is the progress, this is the rough cast. Lakini haijakauka, si ndio? Okay. Tena itamwagiliwa maji. Simi
Kesho.
Halo. Nimefika, umekuwa ready? Mbona nahikambeka? Haya. Lakini mimi sitaoga. Right guys. You see the work? So, tumesema siku 3.
Hata siku 2 kwa sawa.
Kana nikiacha hivyo kwani kuna shida gani?
Ni nzuri.
Na nataka kesho nipake rangi.
Kupaka utasepaka.
Rangi sinapakwa hapa.
Sinapaka tu
sasa
hapa.
maji nikimwagilia hapo chini.
Unaona hii? Huyu unapaka rangi ya maji, si ya mafuta.
Ina mafuta. Ya mafuta.
Ya mafuta.
Ukimwagilia maji yanakauka.
Maji yanakauka.
Unamwagilia mapema.
Chini na mwaga. Kesho watakuja wamwagilie asubuhi. Nasema siku 3.
Hata siku 2 kwa sawa.
Okay guys, my mason told me maybe 3 days curing water. Okay, amefanya kazi nzuri. Kweli. Kwa sawa. Hata yezi toka grey, ni ile tu kara.
Na hii rangi nilikuwa nasikia unasema unaipenda hii.
Gani?
Hii kama inataka kuwa kama kijivu.
So kesho napaka rangi.
Itapendeza.
Chana nayo napaka hadi hapa blue. Kutoka hapa kwenda hapo brown ina kama damdam.
Yes, ni kuanzia hapa hivi.
Napaka rangi nyingine alafu chini
kama damdam.
Hiyo ndio wanaita brown. Kazi iko sawa.
Unapaka kwanza undercoat.
Undercoat?
Ile nyeupe.
Ya nini? Yaani upake rangi ya maji tena ndio upake ya mafuta juu.
Si kuna ile tunaitanga undercoat.
Naijuaga. Sasa hii ni ya mafuta, mimi nitakuja niweke hivyo direct. Moja kwa moja ndio ikauke tena nirudie.
Sawa, ina shida. Hiyo ndio sawa.
Haya, twende basi. Kazi kwa sawa. I think guys the work is perfect. You can see by yourself. So maybe tomorrow morning to apply the paint here. Kazi kwa sawa. Wow guys, we shall meet on the next video. Oh guys, so finally I'm just around on this nice restaurant here. So actually maybe today I decide maybe to end my video here guys. And it was not my first time to be here guys. It's known as Hotel Vana. Good accommodation and everything. So guys, follow this vlog. Maybe I will end my video because on the other side we have the music guys. It's very clean guys, and if you want to book the room, this hotel have a well organized room, very clean. You can see the environment by yourself. And over there we have the rooms. We have hot water, cold water, food are available, and you get the security are being tight here. So actually for me, I'm a lover of this place. So there's a time I brought my mom's here, and actually guys, my mom enjoy a lot with my sister, brother, and we say thank you God. So you can see the structure. So anyway guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow guys.